Good morning students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Dear students, today we are going to start chapter number 13 exponents and powers for class 7th. Okay, chapter number 13 exponents and powers. So students, power is not a new term for you, isn't it? You know very well about power. Suppose a number is written like this. So what you are going to read it as? It will be read as 2 raised to the power 3, isn't it? So you are familiar with power. Now what do you mean by exponent, students? Exponents again is power only. Okay, I can call this 3 as power, or it can called be as exponent. Make this very clear. Okay, so this is called as exponent only. What is the use of exponent, students? What is the use of exponent? Why we are using exponent? See students, sometimes we have to deal with very large numbers, okay, which are hard to read, understand and to compare. Means if we want to compare between two very large numbers, it is little bit difficult. So students, what we can do, we can short that numbers, okay, that very large numbers can be written in short form. That short form is known as your exponential form, okay. Using exponents, we can make a very large number into a small number, which will be again easy to understand, read and to compare. Okay students, again I will be giving you one example for exponent. Suppose here I am writing 3 raised to the power 4. Okay, 3 raised to the power 4 I have written. Students, here this 3 is known as base. Okay, this 3 is known as base. Clear? What about this 4? It is known as power, or it is also known as your exponent. Okay, power, this is base and this is the exponent, and this is the short form, isn't it? 3 raised to the power 4 means, students, that 3 is being multiplied 4 times, isn't it? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Right, instead of writing this much long product, what I have done, I have written in short only. That what this indicates, it indicates that here 3 is being multiplied 4 times. Okay, so 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 and 27 3s are 81. So the value of this 3 raised to the power 4 is 81, isn't it? Now what about these students? 2 raised to the power 3. When I will open it, it will become 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Here the value of 2 raised to the power 3 is equals to 8. Clear students? So this much only. Exponents and powers is very easy topic. Okay, very easy chapter. But the main thing is you should understand it properly. Then only you will be able to solve the questions. Again I am explaining you about exponent, students. Suppose this is the number written. Here the number which is written below is your base, and the number which is written at the top, it is known as power or exponent. And the way of writing a number in such a form is known as your exponential form. Make this very clear, students. If you write a number in short form using base and exponent or power, so such way of writing the number is known as your exponential form. Clear students? Okay, now this was about exponent and we have learned here exponential form. Now one more thing, students. Suppose let us take any number 121. 121 I have written. I want this number to be written as product of prime factors. You understand na? Prime factors, you understand na? When we take out LCM, we take only prime factors. So here again I want this 121 as the product of prime factors. So if you want it as product of prime factors, what you will do? You will take out its LCM, isn't it? 121. We know that it will be only divisible with 11. So 11 11s are 121. Okay, so I got the product, and when I write it, it can be written as 11 into 11. So students, what this is called as, it will be called as product of prime number. So here 121 was a prime number which we have written as 11 into 11. Now if I want to write this in exponential form, then it will be written as 11 square. Clear students? Okay, so students, basically these two topics only we are going to use for solving the first exercise, which is exercise 13.1. Only two things were required. First was exponential form and second was writing the numbers as product of powers of prime factors. Okay, so now without any delay we can start our first exercise 13.1. so open your textbooks and see the first question, students, from exercise 13.1. the question is find the value of. Okay, you can see there that exponential form of numbers are given, isn't it? First point is 2 raised to the power 4. How to get its value, students? Here you are going to multiply 2 4 times. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 will be your answer. Okay, let us see the second point. Second point is 9 raised to the power 3. Let me write the question first. Third point is 11 square. We have already seen this in the example. So, and fourth point is also there. That will be your homework. Okay. So here 9 will be multiplied 3 times. So 9 into 9 into 9. 9 9s are 81. 81 9s are 729. Clear, students? Then 11 square. 11 will be multiplied 2 times. 11 into 11 will give us 121. Got it? Now let us see the second question also, students. Question number 2 is express the following in exponential form. Now students, the product for the numbers are given and you are asked to write the given product in exponential form. So how to write? Again, it's very easy. Let's see the first one. 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. So it can be written as, what will be the base here? The base here will be 6 and the power will be 4. Clear, students? 6 raised to the power 4. Now the second question is t into t. So it will be written as t square. Got it? Third point is b is being multiplied 4 times. So students, guess the answer. What will be the answer? b into b into b into b. How many times b is there? 4 times. So base will be b and exponent will be 4. Then fourth point, 5 is multiplied 2 times and then 7 is also there which is being multiplied 3 times. How to write this, students? Don't get confused. Same thing you are going to use. Here first base will be 5, its exponent will be 2. Okay, then the next base will be 7, its exponent will be 3. How easy it is, isn't it? Now 2 into 2 into a into a. Okay, fine. So its answer will be 2 square into a square. Now one more point is there which will be your homework. Note it down, students. Then we are going to see question number 3. So students, question number 3 is express using exponential notation or exponential form. So how to express it in exponential form? You should have its product, isn't it? Then only you can write the product of powers of their prime factors. How to write? Let us see. So students, if I want its prime factors, okay, so what I have to do? I have to take its LCM. You know now how to take the LCM. So let us take the LCM. So 512 can be divided with 2. 2 2s are 4, then 2 5s are 10, then 2 6s are 12. 2 2s are 4, 11, 2 5s are 10. Yeah. Now again 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, then 2 8s are 16. Again 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. Then 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. Then 2 8s are 16, then 2 4s are 8, then 2 2s are 4, finally we are going to get 1. So these are the product of powers of prime factors. Let us write, students. So I will be writing it as, here I am writing. How many times 2 is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times, students. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Again into 2 into 2 into 2. So I have multiplied 2 9 times. That's why its exponential form can be 2 raised to the power 9. Clear, students? This is the answer. Here we have expressed 512 as 2 raised to the power 9. Got it? Now let us see second point. Second point is 343. So let us see 343. Is it divisible with 2? No, it will not be divisible with 3 also. then if it is not divisible with 2, it will not be divisible with 4 also, with 5 also it will not go. Now if it is not divisible with 2 and 3, then surely it will not be divisible with 6. Remember na, you have studied about divisibility rules na, those rules we have applied here. Okay students, now 343 can be divisible with 7 or is divisible with 7. So students, 7 fours are 28, 29, 30, 6 left. Then 7 nines are 63, then 7 sevens are 49, then 7 ones are 7. So the product of prime factor is 7 into 7 into 7, and it can be expressed as 7 raised to the power 3. Okay. Now next number 729. Let us see this also. So 729. Let us start students. So it will not be divisible with 2 for sure. Let us check with 3. Yeah, it will be divisible with 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 4 5 6 7 8 9. Again it will be divisible with 3. 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. Then 3 2s are 6, 7 8, 3 7s are 21. Then 3 9s are 27. Then 3 3s are 9. Finally we will get 1. So the product of prime factors will be 1 2 3 4 5 6. 3 being multiplied 6 times, isn't it? So our final answer will be 3 raised to the power 6. Understood students? Okay, now one more point is there which will be your work. You are going to write that number in the exponential notation. Note it down, and that's all for today students. You have to again practice question number 1, 2 and 3. If you have any doubt, you can WhatsApp me and make your doubt clear, or we will discuss that doubt in the live session. That's all for today students. Thank you.